Hey, hi guys. In this session, we are going to discuss about one of the most useful feature, that is debugging. Debugging is a crucial skill for any developer because it helps us to understand our code better and fix issues more efficiently. IntelliJ IDEA, one of the most popular IDE for Java development, offers a powerful debugging tools that make this process smoother and most effective. In this tutorial, we will explore how to set breakpoints, step through code, inspect variable, and use the various debugging feature IntelliJ offers. Before we dive into practical step, let's take a moment to understand why debugging is important. Every developer encounters bug or unexpected behavior in their program. Debugging allows us to isolate and understand these issues, improving both quality of our code and our ability to write more reliable application. Without effective debugging, finding and solving problems can become a time consuming and frustrating process. Now let's explore what is breakpoints and what are the types of breakpoints. So breakpoints are special markers that suspend program execution at a specific point. This lets you examine the program state and behavior. Breakpoint can be simple, for example suspending the program on reaching some line of code, or involve more complex logic such as checking against additional condition, writing to a login, and so on. Once set, a breakpoint remains in your project until you remove it explicitly, except for a temporary breakpoints. If a file with a breakpoint was modified externally, for example updated through a version control system or changed in an external editor, and the line number have changed, breakpoints will be moved accordingly. Note that IntelliJ IDEA may be running when such changes are made, otherwise they will pass unnoticed. There are multiple types of breakpoints. Let's see one by one. Like line breakpoints, method breakpoints, field watchpoints, exception breakpoints. These are the types of breakpoints. So what is line breakpoint? Suspend the program upon reaching the line of code where the breakpoints was set. This type of breakpoint can be set on any executable line of code. Method breakpoints. Suspend the program upon entering existing the specified method or one of its implementation, allowing you to take the method entry exit condition. Field watchpoint. Suspend the program when the specified field is ready to return to. This allows you to react to interaction with specific instance variable. For example, if at the end of the complicated process you are ending up with an obviously wrong values on one of your fields, setting a field watchpoint may help determine the origin of the fault. Exception breakpoints suspend the program when throwable or its subclasses are thrown. They apply globally to the exception condition and do not require a particular source code reference. Unlike stack trace, suspending an application on an exceptions allows you to examine the surroundings context of data it's still available. Let's see how to set the line breakpoints. The first point is line breakpoints. So we just need to click the gutter at the executable line of code where you want to set the breakpoints. Alternative Alternatively, we can place the caret at the line and press function F8. Just simply, let's see, I want to press a breakpoint at line number 17 to know what is the value coming in a variable area. Simply, I can click here. The breakpoint has been set here now. If you have observed, the breakpoint has set here. To target a specific lambda or an if return statement within a line, we can use the breakpoint icons and appears that this statement, and just press a cursor here and press a breakpoint here, so it will provide a breakpoint here. In scenarios where the lambda is the only code on the line, that is meaningful to debug, like in this case with Java stream options, the IntelliJ IDEA will automatically set the breakpoint for this lambda instead of the entire line. To set temporary line breakpoint, we can press Ctrl Alt Shift F8 together and we can set alternate breakpoint. To set the breakpoint and method, it is same at line breakpoint. We can click like this. We just need to click the gutter at the line where the method is declared. Alternatively, place the caret at the method declaration and press F8. To suspend the program when a default constructor of a class is called, we just need to click the gutter at the line where the class is declared. So suppose I just want to call a default constructor of this main class, then in that case I just need to press gutter here and we need to click on that. So it will by default this expression will get executed when the default constructor of main method gets executed.